Our Isaiah text ends with hope. You shall be like a watered garden. You shall be called repairers of the breach. This is God's invitation to us. Not to fix everything overnight. Not to win every argument. Not to carry shame for the past. But to become people who refuse to add chains in God's name. People who choose compassion over fear. People who practice faith that heals rather than harms. In recovery, we know something sacred. Healing never comes through shame. And freedom never comes through force. Healing comes through honesty, through presence, through love that refuses to give up. We are called to hold open a sacred space for one another as well as with the stranger. This space is not about judgment, but at times to offer transformative hospitality, to hold the tissue box while our neighbor grieves and mourns. To hold one another when we feel like we have lost our connection with the ground. And we must hold on to the truth that we will not always do it perfectly because we ourselves are broken vessels. But God chooses broken vessels to offer drink to a thirsty world. The truth revealed through our sacred texts and stories is not that we are flawless, but that God is merciful. God is patient. God is faithful. And that God is love. So go from this place as people who loosen yokes, as people who choose mercy over fear, as people who shine light, not to blind, but to heal. Go as salt. Go as light. Go as repairs of the breach. Amen.